When they talk say make una always the day at alert, no be say na just parable or person one just talk or person one just post for social media. If I say una, no be only una, even including me, everybody, make we always day at alert. You know, if you dey hear news where they are, you see say, you know, news everywhere, say unknown gunmen enter police station, bomb police station, kill some police people, do this one, bomb market, do this one, and people go they ask how those ammunition take they enter their hand. Others people, how they take they get their guns, how they take they get all those things where they use. You get it, they get them. Get it, they get them. Now just short video, maybe someone just short. Maybe most of you now don't come across the video before. I want me to still show now the video. Essentially. You see her yourself? You see her? They at alert. You know, they will talk say with the perilous time, end time now with day now. Anything can happen. They go say prevention is better than cure. You know, you need to prevent yourself. How? Always be at alert. Sometimes you go see say firewood. You know, firewood there, they will look firewood for inside trailer, inside motor, inside bus. But you know, you don't say that firewood, yeah, mona pass. But una no go check am. I no go cross check and know what's in the inside. Just imagine how they put gun for inside firewood, come patch them together, and they use that they enter some particular state. This one are the things we be saying we always they talk. Sometimes we say they go load those things for inside bag of rice, inside bag of beans, even inside bag of meat. You know, all those trailer or whether some go even use a Dangote trailer to load them. Load them as if now really bag of meat. At the end, you go find out say now those ammunition they inside. And now people life they follow. Now people life they suffer. Please, this one are for police. No, any military will be seen on the day road, whether paramilitary or military force. Mona dey at alert. Any firewood, even though say now me carry the firewood, check am. If you don't see anything, just toss. You know say Nigeria police, Africa police, they don't know how to say sorry for the inconvenience. They don't know how to talk them at all. If we both police come your house and what did they find, they don't say, they'll tell you say, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. You understand? If they even buy you, understand? But Nigeria police will even still tell you, so yeah, transport now, you buy fuel. You understand? But what are they talk be this? At least make we try to check all those things. Even to say in a bag, you know, a guy will take check out. I don't see where people they load the bow, put for inside yam, they go patch them together. They will give somebody to carry and come out, and the person not gonna say na igbo dey inside. If they can't catch up for airport, you can't say they use and take set and move. At least make we dey wise. Even before I they go for any journey, I they check my bag. If I enter bedroom, check my luggage. You understand? Because I remember it got to be say I go airport. I did say I just only you pass one security, don't finish. I pass many security. Even when I still say I still reach our own country. You go see say, you know, custom. You go meet this one. This one they look, you say he go tell you, I said, sir, this one already checked, but say, and so understand? They go sit, they go open now. Because some people will be say they go plan something for your bag where you don't know. People will be say they hate you, your enemies, and those people they appear to be your friends for front. Be wise, be at alert, be at alert. I beg the military force in Nigeria, paramilitary force in Nigeria, make we try be at alert. Not be only to they collect something from people's hands. Not be only we go know. At least make we still they check things where they carry. Just imagine how they load gun for inside fire. Will be the person not go ever think am at all. we just have to be at alert. Now just waiting I get to come tell una be that one. Abeg una always dey follow me on Instagram, Facebook page Agbons TV, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel Agbons TV. Thank you very much.